Hashtag how to know if your dog is healthy, insights from a veterinarian on 12 key indicators. Aside from amusing video clips and adorable photos, one of the main reasons dog owners browse the internet is to ensure their furry friends are doing well. While nothing replaces a professional veterinary health check, there are ways to gauge whether your dog is healthy in between those visits. Every dog is unique. What's normal for one might indicate a problem in another. It's crucial to understand what normal looks like for your specific dog. For example, lounging and sleeping 16 hours a day might be completely fine for one dog but a red flag for another. Often, the most telling sign of a problem is a deviation from your dog's baseline behavior or health. Start with a personalized health profile. A great way to track your dog's health is by working with your veterinarian to establish a personalized health profile. This document can include vital stats like heart rate, respiratory rate, and photos of their eyes, gums, and other features to use as references. With this foundation, you'll more easily spot abnormalities. To assist in your assessment, here are 12 key ways to determine if your dog is healthy. This guide is no substitute for veterinary advice, but it can help you identify potential issues early. 1. Consult your veterinarian. If you're ever unsure about your dog's health, the safest choice is to seek professional advice. Whether in person or through online telehealth services, veterinarians can offer valuable insights. Services like PangoVet allow you to connect with a licensed veterinarian from the comfort of your home. They can evaluate your concerns and advise whether a clinic visit is necessary. 2. Behavior and demeanor. Dogs, like humans, exhibit telltale signs of their well-being through behavior. Professionals often use terms like bright, alert, and responsive, BAR. Lethargic, depressed, anxious or agitated. For a pet owner, the key is observing your dog's typical demeanor. A normally energetic dog acting sluggish, or a reserved dog suddenly becoming clingy or aggressive, could indicate an issue. Owners sometimes describe their dog as not acting like themselves, which is often an early sign of discomfort or illness. Don't dismiss or underestimate changes in your dog's attitude or energy levels. 3. Heart rate. Your dog's resting heart rate varies depending on its size and health. Familiarizing yourself with your dog's baseline can help you detect changes. How to check. Carotid artery, feel the groove beside the trachea on their neck. Left chest wall, place your hand just under the rib cage, around the elbow when the dog is standing. Femoral artery, found in the inner thigh. Resting heart rates by size. Dog size resting heart rate, BPM. Toy, 75 pounds, 50 to 80. Common factors influencing heart rate. Increases, stress, pain, high body temperature, anemia, heart disease, exercise. Decreases, hypothyroidism, obesity, low body temperature, electrolyte imbalances. 4. Respiratory rate. Your dog's breathing rate is another critical measure. The best time to measure is when your dog is asleep or completely at rest. Normal resting respiratory rate, 15 to 30 breaths per minute. Fast breathing or difficulty breathing could indicate conditions like heat stroke, anxiety, or respiratory infections. #5. Eyes. The condition of your dog's eyes can reveal a lot about their health. Signs of healthy eyes. Clear and bright appearance. No excessive redness or discharge. Pupils equal in size. Whites of the eyes, sclera, are truly white, not yellow or bloodshot. Monitor for symptoms such as squinting, cloudiness, or aversion to light, as these may indicate pain or other health concerns. #6. Gums. Healthy gums are an essential indicator of overall health. Normal gums should be moist and pinkish orange. #Abnormal signs. Dry or sticky gums, dehydration. Pale or white gums, possible anemia or low blood pressure. Blue or purple gums, lack of oxygen. Yellow gums, potential liver issues or jaundice. Bright red gums, possible sepsis or heat stroke. Testing capillary refill time, CRT. Press a finger against the gum until it turns white, then release. Color should return within 1 to 2 seconds. #7. Movement and posture. Watch for changes in how your dog moves, stands, or rests. Stiffness, limping, or difficulty standing can indicate arthritis, muscle issues, or nerve problems. A hunched back might suggest spinal pain or abdominal discomfort. #8. Appetite. Regular eating habits are a good sign of well-being. While a skipped meal occasionally might not signal a problem, persistent changes in appetite are worth investigating. Some dogs may eat even when unwell, looking at you, Labradors, but any consistent changes should prompt a closer look. #9. Coat and skin. Your dog's coat should be shiny and clean, without excessive shedding or dandruff. Watch for bald patches, red or inflamed skin, persistent itching, lumps or bumps under the skin. #10. Weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is vital. Monitor changes in your dog's weight by regular weigh-ins. Sudden weight loss or gain could point to underlying issues such as metabolic disorders or inadequate nutrition. #11. Bowel movements and urination. The frequency, color, and consistency of your dog's stool are indicators of their digestive health. #Stool checklist. Firm and moist. Free from blood or mucus. Regular frequency. Changes in urination, such as increased frequency or difficulty, might signal urinary tract infections or kidney issues. #12. Energy levels. Every dog has its own level of normal energy. A sudden drop in energy or excessive restlessness should prompt you to look for other symptoms. Remember, deviations from the baseline are often the first clues to health problems. Hashtag final thoughts. While this guide can help you monitor your dog's health, always seek veterinary advice for significant or persistent issues. Regular check-ups, combined with a vigilant approach to these health indicators, will ensure your dog stays happy and healthy for years to come.